Hi, welcome back to our tutorial video. Now we will be learning how to simplify algebraic expressions, which involves addition and subtraction. For our first example, let's have 5x plus 22 minus 6x minus 23. Now the first thing we need to do is to identify the like terms, because when we are simplifying algebraic expressions, we can only combine, whether add or subtract, the terms which are so-called like terms. Now what are those like terms here? Like terms in a sense that if they have variable, then they must contain the same variable, like 5x and negative 6x. But if they don't have variable, then they're also considered like terms because they are both constants. Okay, like 22 and negative 23. Now, after identifying our like terms, we put them beside each other. So we'll have 5x minus 6x, and then we also include the other parts, plus 22 minus 23. Now we'll simplify it accordingly. 5x minus 6x can also be transformed as 5x plus negative 6x. That is why earlier I read this as negative 6x, because originally it means we are adding a negative 6x and just simplified as minus 6x. So we do it backward. If it's minus 6x, it means we are adding a negative 6x. Same goes for this too. So we add 22, and then we are also adding a negative 23. And that's actually our rule when we are subtracting integers, correct? And same process or same idea will be applied here. The only difference is that here we have a common variable. So simply copy the common variable and then do the operation on the coefficients. So 5 plus negative 6, that's negative 1. So we'll have negative 1x, and then positive 22 plus negative 23, that gives us a negative 1. Now simplifying this further, this negative 1x can be written as negative x, and since we're adding a negative 1, that also means we are subtracting a positive 1. So we just do the reverse idea of adding of a negative value. Alright, so this will be our final answer here. For our next example, we have 15x plus negative 7y plus negative 18x plus 4y. So again, put the like terms beside each other. So we have 15x plus negative 18x. So it's already written in addition form, which is much easier compared to subtraction. And then we add negative 7y plus 4y. Beside one another is 15x and then negative 18x. The sum will be negative 3x. 15 plus negative 18 is negative 3. Then copy the common variable. Then for the other part, we have to add negative 7y plus 4y. That is actually negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. Copy the common variable, which is y. And again, you see here we are adding a negative that can also be interpreted as we are subtracting a positive 3y. Just to make our expression simpler in structure. In the third example, we have 6x minus 20y plus 7z minus 8x plus 25y minus 11z. So let's mark those like terms first. We have 6x and negative 8x. We also have negative 20y, positive 20y, and we also have 7z and negative 11z. So let's put them beside each other, starting with x, 6x, and then minus 8x. The next pair would be negative 20y plus 25y, and the last pair plus 7z minus 11z. Now again, let's transform this in addition form. So this becomes 6x plus a negative 8x. And then minus or negative 20y plus 25y. And for this pair, we can have it as plus 7z plus negative 11z. Alright, so let's do simplification in each pair of like terms. 6x plus negative 8x, that would be negative 2x. Negative 20y plus 25y, that is positive 5y. And lastly, 7z plus a negative 11z. That's a negative, so plus a negative 4z. Putting them all together, we'll have 2x, negative 2x plus 5y. Since this is already positive, so automatically it's addition. And here we have addition of a negative. That also means subtracting 4z. This is our final answer. And of course, for your test, to check your understanding in this video, kindly try solve this expression, simplify this expression, and make sure to comment down your answer. Thank you so much.